I'm Richard Lee, and I am the new personal trainer here at CarShield. I think it's great with fitness in the company culture because everything in your life just gets better if you have your fitness and your nutrition in line, and you're more efficient, your mood is better, you're more productive, and it kind of changes the people around you too, because if they see you changing, they might catch that fire too and want to start to change. My fitness journey started when I was in high school. I had a strength coach that taught us how to do everything correctly, and I just saw what it was doing for me and my performance in sports and how I was looking and feeling, and I really liked that. Now that's what I do for a career. So I've been training people for about 15 years. 11 of that was self-employed, running my own business. I wanted to help other people see the same benefits, even if it's not just for sports, if it's everyday life. I love seeing somebody that couldn't do a plank, that now they can do a plank, or they couldn't do a push-up, and now I have them doing push-ups from the floor. So that gets me fired up, and I love sharing my passion for fitness with other people. Fitness to me is just being able to do life easier, to feel better, to move better, stay out of pain. I don't want to be that guy with a bad back or bad knees. I want to increase my play span, not just my lifespan. Fitness makes everything easier. Just going up the stairs, you feel a little bit more bounce in your step. Picking up your kid, you're not hurting your back, or your arms aren't getting tired as easily as they used to. And so people just see little small improvements like that, and they don't even really realize it until it just dawns on them one day that all that hard work they were doing, it's paid off. It is a journey. It's not a destination. Once you get there, you don't stop. You keep going. Like, I want to help you start your journey. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. I can work with you.